I'm Sarah Borgson-Keto, and in conjunction with NAWIT's REITworld 2021 annual conference, I'm speaking today with Tom Herzog, CEO of Healthpeak Properties. Tom, thanks for joining me today.
Hi, Sarah. Thank you.
With the exit from rental senior housing behind you, how is Healthpeak thinking about its current portfolio?
Today, we're fully focused on three businesses: life science, which is 50% of our portfolio, MOBs at 40%, and CCRCs 10%. All three of our portfolios literally could not be replicated today. And they're all in high barrier to entry markets and will all benefit from the aging baby boomer demographic. In life science, we're located in the three hotbed markets of San Francisco, Boston, and San Diego, where the fundamentals in life science have been red hot. And in medical office, we're somewhat unique in that we're focused substantially on on-campus properties where the specialists reside. This has been a steady growth business through the cycles and will continue to be, and will certainly benefit from the continued expansion of healthcare needs in this country. Our relatively small CCRC business consists of 15 high-quality communities that average 500 units and sit on 50 acres apiece. This product represents a lifestyle offering for younger, healthier seniors and results in a very long length of stay. And supply in this business continues to be very minimal.
Where does Healthpeak see its future growth, and can you explain more fully the benefits of development and how you mitigate risk?
Let's start with life science. Today, there is little high-quality product that trades each year in our three core markets of, again, San Francisco, Boston, and San Diego. And what does trades at very low cap rates. Accordingly, our growth in life science is going to be primarily through new development. We have a large development pipeline and an enormous land bank, together constituting 7 million square feet and representing what's going to be $10+ billion of spend over the next decade or so. Turning to MOBs, our growth is going to be a combination of acquisitions and development. And it's important to remember that for on-campus MOB development, that requires an invitation from a health system, which makes this business very relationship-driven and creates a significant barrier to entry. Fortunately, we do have a lot of time-tested relationships with large health systems, including HCA. For CCRCs, we expect our external growth to be fairly slow, as CCRCs are primarily owned by not-for-profits. And quality product, again, rarely comes to market. And development of new product is even more difficult in that it requires 8 to 10 years from inception to stabilization. So not all that feasible for a publicly traded company. But we do have 100 acres of developable land across our 15 campuses that represent $500 million of densification opportunity that we will take advantage of over time. Regarding your question on the benefits of development, for life science, we currently expect yields over stabilized cap rates somewhere in the vicinity of 200 to 300 basis points spread, which is going to create significant earnings accretion and NAV accretion over time. This higher than average spread is due to the premium location of our land bank and also the favorable land bases that we have in our books, which are both critical items.
How is Healthpeak thinking about the longer-term demand for life science and new competitors entering the space?
Biotech is an exploding industry and has resulted in huge demand in the three core markets. Since 2010, average rent growth has been north of 7%, while occupancy has simultaneously increased from the very low 90s to the high 90s today. Looking forward, we see a number of reasons why life science real estate fundamentals will continue to be strong. First, the aging population in America is going to continue to demand new drugs and therapies. Second, the science of biologics or live organism drug discovery continues to accelerate. Third, the FDA review time has decreased substantially. And finally, the industry is attracting record levels of funding from NIH, venture capital, partner fundings, IPOs, and secondary offerings. Aggregate funding from these sources has literally quadrupled during the last decade. As to new competition in the space, it is inevitable in any strong market, really. But we believe we have competitive advantage due to our scale, experience, deep tenant base, and the clusters in which our real estate resides. We also control significant land in some of the strongest life science locations in the world. This allows our tenants to expand with us, which is absolutely critical for growing biotech companies. We believe this positions us to win more than our fair share of the tenants in this growing market. We expect business to be good.
Tom, thanks for your time today.
Thanks, Sarah. Appreciate it.
And for more news and information from REITworld, be sure to visit NAREIT's website, REIT.com.